100.
46, 92 and
100.
शैतान भाई गर्मी बढ़ गया है। ये सब जीरो टन का है काउंटर वेट का। अभी आपको काउंटर वेट अगर यूज करना है, देखिए यहाँ से आपका काउंटर वेट यूज आ गया। ये अभी बिना काउंटर वेट का उधर था।
अभी इधर 8
This all are load chart without counterweight, okay?
Okay.
Here you take counterweight 5 ton. If you take the counterweight only 5 tons, you use this load chart with this boom sections. This boom mode, boom section, all over you check there. 5 ton and 360 degree. Always remember the one thing. You check this also and this also. What is this? Anemometer. And what is this?
Speed, wind speed.
Wind speed. And all over the 4 people. Can you tell me what about this?
Number of lines.
What lines? Number of part lines.
That's what.
This is number of part lines, but into 3, into 2. Always 3 into 2. 6 part line.
Okay, okay.
4 part line. 6 part line. 6 part line. Whenever you saw 3 part lines in your crane, you ever saw 3 part line in your crane? 1, 2, 3. कभी आपने देखा 3 पार्ट लाइन क्रेन में? वो सिर्फ एक बार घूमता है और ऊपर जाकर अटक जाता है।
It's possible.
एक नीचे आ रहा है ना।
हाँ,
It's possible you can have 3 lines.
5, 5, 5 ऐसे ही सारा लोड चार्ट इसी में है कि 5 टन से ऑल ओवर द लोड चार्ट, ऑल ओवर द पेजेस। फर्स्ट यू चेक 5 टन, everyone is different, everyone. Something is different, different the code, different the boom angle, different the radius, different the counterweight, even different this. Whenever you go for the work at half of outrigger, your capacity will decreased.
Attention to the right area.
This is mid of outrigger. This is mid of outrigger. This is 5 meter of outrigger. This is 7 meter of fully extend of outrigger. At 6 ton counterweight, 360 degree rotation. 5 meter of extend, 8 ton counterweight, and 60 degree one sided plus 360 degree. But my concern is always check one thing: your rotation, your swing degree, your outrigger length, your counterweight. बंद करोगे एक मिनट?
Semi using
Yeah.
Sunny,
Sunny.
July, and LTL.
किसान भाई, सैनिक क्रेन कैसी होती है? If you extend all over the boom, you go to the 30 degree, your crane will be collapsed. Maximum chances. Sainik crane only used for height. If you want to go long radius, use this one, use Tedano, use Grow, use Group, use another crane. Sani, Zoomland, in my perspective. आपने कभी काम किया सैनिक के साथ? So whenever you go for the height, you also use the crane of Sainik. When you go for the height, at what? You use the range diagram. Range diagram is the only thing you check what is your tip height actual. In the load chart, you never get what is your tip height. You get your angle, you get your radius, you get your boom length, you get your capacity, but you never get the tip height. If you want to check your tip height, go to the range diagram. I no have range diagram. Maybe another book has. Yes, I have another book. Is used for jig. 20 degree, 40 degree, and is extend more, fully more. Look, first, second, third. You check by yourself manually. Your G-Map is actions. First, second, and inside. You extend by manually, and it's too painful when you go to the extent. This is 2, 1 and 2 only. Check the maximum tip height is
Attention to the right area. Attention to the right
80.
area.
The maximum tip height.
Attention to the right area.
It means your brain work 80 meter
Attention
at
to
height.
the right area.
Just go down little
Attention
bit.
to the right area. Attention to the right area.
चिल्लाओ अभी चिल्लाओ अभी 80 meters after you remove maybe 10 meter remove करेंगे उसमें से, क्योंकि 4 मीटर का कम से कम आपका बेल्ट रहेगा. If you take space ना, hook save and boom head, 3 meters, 4 meters of belts, 2 meters of load, 70 meter approx you can work safe. अब हमें ईशान भाई बताएंगे. ईशान भाई, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन अस कि इफ वी वांट टू चेक द लोड कैपेसिटी ऑफ सीलिंग, नॉट द हुक, नॉट द crane rope, ceiling, what is the formula? Ceiling, wire rope ceiling, that's formula याद है आपको? D square into 12.4. सही याद नहीं है, मजाक कर रहे हैं उससे. हाय, अब रिगर है 16 mm. Your wire rope length into 16 into 12.4 divided 1000, 3.1744 your ceiling capacity. The formula is D square into 12.4. कोई भी स्पेस दे दीजिए ना, चेकलिस्ट उठाओ, कुछ भी बताओ, कौन बोलने वाला है इधर, मार खाना है किसी. This is your wire rope. Not this wire rope, ceiling wire rope, working wire rope.
Okay.
If you don't know the capacity, what is the capacity of ceiling wire rope? If you want to know, just go ahead, check how much the length. D square into 12.4. If your wire rope ceiling is 16 mm, 16 and square 16 into 16 into 12.4. Calculate. I am weak in math. $16, 12.4 divide is coming 3174.4 divided by 1000. Why I divided by 1000? This is coming from kg.
Good.
When I divided by 1000 is coming 3.1744 ton.
So,
This is your wire ceiling capacity, wire rope ceiling capacity. While you working, you must remember. Some of the times you take rigger, you don't know, he's new guy. My condition is my last job. I have d square into 12. My last job in East West Pipeline, one of the rigger. Good guy, nice guy, but he is the new. We don't know. He, when we work, he put the ceiling there. After that, we want this belt, we want ceiling. Where is the ceiling? हाँ वहीं छोड़ दिया. भाई क्यों छोड़ दिया यार? दोबारा काम नहीं करना है. वहीं छोड़ दिया. So this, all the things. If you going to use this, first press this after you use. Always remember, lock your suspensor while you operate. Remove your lock while you're driving. In this is the two things you know, you remember. All you should to be remember, but this is the main thing. While driving, lock your suspensor. During driving, level and remove your lock. Bas. Okay.